Your AI characters can now stay consistent across every single scene without rebuilding them over and over again. No complicated workflow, just clean, animated story videos that look surprisingly polished. Take a look at this result first, because once you see what's possible, the entire process just makes more sense.
Welcome, everyone! Today you'll witness the smartest robot ever built. Hello, I am ready to impress everyone. Bolt, please make everyone breakfast. Believe in yourself. Greatness begins within.
I think the toast is getting a motivational seminar.
Breakfast is complete. Inspiration included.
I've never had encouraging toast before.
Well, that's surprisingly impressive. Bolt, clean the workshop. Cleaning mode activated.
Professor Pickles, you've never looked shinier.
I wanted a clean workshop, not a shiny forehead. Additional polishing completed successfully. Bolt, guard my lunch while I take a nap. Mission accepted. Your lunch is under maximum protection. Bolt, where's my sandwich? I protected it from every threat. Then why is the lunchbox empty? I determined hunger was the greatest threat, and I eliminated the threat. You ate my sandwich? Correct. You're welcome. Unexpected accomplice detected.
Better luck next time.
Hey, that's my sandwich. I got it.
Excellent recovery. Now that's teamwork. That was the funniest robot I've ever seen.
Humor mode appears successful. I suppose it was. From now on, every instruction will be crystal clear. I will also avoid interpreting sandwiches. That's the smartest thing you've said all day.
All right, you've already seen the final result, and you probably noticed one thing. The characters stay perfectly consistent from one scene to the next. If you missed it, go back and watch the result one more time. Today, I'll show you exactly how to build videos like this. So if you're getting value already, drop a quick like, subscribe, and let's jump right in.
Open ChatGPT on your computer or your phone. First, we're going to generate our story, then we'll generate detailed character appearance prompts. For that, we'll use two prompts. I've already prepared both of them for you. Here's the first prompt, and here's the second one. The first prompt generates two things: your complete story and detailed character appearance prompts. Now simply copy the first prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and run it. Here's what you'll get. First, your full story. Scroll down a little, and you'll see detailed prompts for every character. Next, open a new browser tab, search for Google Flow AI, and open the official Google Labs page. Click New Project. Now let's build our first character. Choose the Characters option. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the appearance prompt for your first character, then paste it here. Keep Nano Banana 2 Ask selected, and hit Run. There it is. Our first character is ready. And notice this, Google generated multiple viewing angles automatically. Now let's give this character a name. Replace the default title with the actual character name. Mine is Professor Pickles. Now right below that, you'll see the voice option, and click it and a list of available voices will pop up. Take a minute to preview a few of them.
Hi there. We're introduced.
Hi there.
Hi there. Hi there.
And pick the one that feels like the best fit for your character. Once you've found the right one, click Add to Character. Right below that, you'll also see the character info section. This part is completely optional, but if you'd like, you can add a short description or extra details about your character. Once everything looks good, click Done, and that's it. Your first character is ready. Now repeat the exact same process for every other character. Let's create Bolt next. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the appearance prompt, paste it here, and run it. Give it a name, preview a few voices, choose the one that fits best, click Add to Character, and then click Done. Now repeat this workflow until every character in your story has been created. Alright, our characters are ready. Now let's generate the actual videos. Go back to prompts and copy the second prompt. Go back to ChatGPT, paste it, and run it. This prompt generates your story, scene by scene. Every scene includes a complete video prompt, along with the dialogue for each character. Let's start with Scene 1. copy the entire video prompt, including the dialogue. Now switch back to Google Flow, paste into prompt box, but before generating anything, let's quickly set everything up. Choose video mode, keep ingredients enabled, select your preferred aspect ratio, choose how many versions you'd like to generate. For the video model, select Omni Flash. Since these prompts are written for 10-second scenes, set the duration to 10 seconds. Now here's the important part. Take a look at the dialogue. This scene has two characters, Professor Pickles and Bolt, so both of them need to be attached to the prompt. Where you see Professor Pickles, type at the right, your saved characters will appear. Select Professor Pickles, then click Add to Prompt. Now do the exact same thing for Bolt. Type at the right, select Bolt, and click Add to Prompt. That's it. Both character references are now attached. This helps Google Flow know exactly which character should appear in the scene, keeping everything visually consistent. Now click Run. And there it is. Our first scene is ready. Let's play it.
Welcome, everyone. Today you'll witness the smartest robot ever built. Hello, I am ready to impress everyone.
Looks really clean. Both characters stay perfectly consistent throughout the scene. Once you're happy with the result, download the clip. Now let's move on to scene 2. Copy the next video prompt and paste it into Google Flow. Now pay close attention to the dialogue. This scene includes 3 different characters, Professor Pickles, Bolt, and the neighbor. That means all 3 characters need to be attached before generating the video. Start with Professor Pickles, type at the right, select the character, and click Add to Prompt. Now repeat the same process for Bolt, then do it one more time for the neighbor. Here's an easy rule to remember. Every character who has dialogue in your video prompt should also be added to the prompt. That's what keeps your character appearances consistent throughout the animation. Once all the characters are attached, click Run after the video is generated. Play it once to check the result. If everything looks good, download the clip. Now simply repeat this same workflow for every remaining scene in your story. Before generating each scene, just check which characters have dialogue and make sure every one of them is added using at the right before clicking Run. The rest of the process stays exactly the same. Once all your clips are finished, it's time to assemble the final video. Open your favorite video editor, import every clip, place them onto the timeline, scene by scene, in the correct order. I like numbering my clips first. It makes organizing everything much faster. Once every scene is in place, play the full timeline, trim anything that feels off, add transitions if you want, maybe a few effects, or some color adjustments. Once everything looks good, export your final video, and that's it. You now have a fully animated story with consistent characters from start to finish. If you're building AI animations or starting a faceless channel, this workflow is definitely worth trying while it's still ahead of the curve. If this tutorial helped you out, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next AI creator tutorial.